Hello friends, welcome to Power Electronics. Today we will discuss the current rating of an thyristor. Basically, a thyristor is an semiconductor material. So its thermal capacity is very small. So for very short overcurrents, the junction temperature rises very fast. So it can damage our device. If you look at the diagram above, we can see that the anode current, which is DC current, and also we set up the junction temperature. We can see by the diagram that this there is an sudden rise, so it will very fast reach the junction temperature, which is 125 degree Celsius. So here what we conclude that junction temperature depends upon the current handled by the thyristor. If the current handled is very higher than the rated value, then the junction temperature rises very fast. For longer working of the device, a correct choice of current rating should be essential, that we must focus on the current rating of the device. Current rating of an SCR, as discussed, is both repetitive and non-repetitive type of current waveforms. So here the average on state current is ITAV, it is denoted by. So as we know that the forward voltage drop across an SCR is very low. So therefore power loss in the thyristor mainly depends upon the average on state current. So here what are the essential things that we have to consider? So consider a continuous DC current OA. Here we have considered a constant DC current, as you can see in the diagram that it is OA. Then after the application of the current at T equal to 0, the junction temperature rises very fast. Here we can see the junction temperature rises very fast and reaches at the 125 degree Celsius. Why? Because SCR has low thermal time constant. This is very important. Students should remember that SCR has a very low thermal time constant, that it reaches very fast temperature. So temperature 125 degree reaches in a very shorter time. Problem is not of temperature. Problem is that it reaches a very shorter time. The time span is very less and temperature